The roots blower arrived at our facility in a crate, completely disassembled with a lot of corrosion. All of the components were sent through our parts washer to ensure a clean working environment. Our technicians completed their evaluation, noting any issues. A rebuild kit was ordered directly from Roots. The housing, drive gears, and lobes were cleaned and polished prior to reassembly. The lobe shafts were also polished. The completed lobe assemblies were prepared for installation into the housing. Sealant was applied to the mating surfaces and the housing reassembly began. The second housing end was prepared to be installed. The bearings and drive gears were installed and set to Roots specifications. The housing covers were cleaned, sealant applied and installed onto the housing. The blower was checked for proper operation and prepared for painting. A fresh coat of black enamel was applied to the blower.